Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole and I am back with another wig review for you guys. This Unice Hair sent me another wig and I'm loving it. It's bomb AF. Bomb AF. They sent me another wig to review for you guys. Why am I singing? But they sent me another wig to review for you guys. They sent me the T-part wig. T-part wig. This is an 18-inch middle part pre-plucked with baby hairs. The density is 150 and this is Brazilian virgin hair. This is a highlight brown. Okay, you see she's giving what she's supposed to give, you know, period. This hair is really, I think I just said this before, but this hair is really good for beginners. Like if you're getting into wigs and you don't really know what you want, get a T-part wig because it's really easy to apply. It's not a lot of lace. It has a part going straight back, you know, it's already parted for you. You ain't gotta part nothing. So if you want to get into wigs and you don't know what to get a T-part wig. I suggest really beginner friendly, really easy to maintain. And it's not a lot of work. Just plop it on your head, part it. Well, it's already parted. Pop it on your head, you know. You can use Got2b spray, glue, whatever you choose to lay your wig, and you're good to go. If you want baby hairs, if you don't want baby hairs, lay them down. It's not really a lot of space to make baby hairs, so like I had to force some baby hairs up here because, you know, I like baby hairs. Just my preference. T-parts, just my preference. This hair is long. 18 inches. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on. See, it's not 18 inches. Not really that long, but you know, it's good. It's good. All this hair is really perfect for fall. So. And this brown is really perfect for fall. You know, the season's changing. Get you some a brown T-part wig, period. Alright guys, so this is the wig right here. This is a T-part wig from Unice Hair. I think I probably already told y'all. But this is what the T-part wig looks like. Show y'all, it's like literally this little line right here. It's like a T. Run back. Not a lot of parting space or nothing like that. It's nothing like a lace frontal. So, and this is supposed to be beginner friendly. And like if you just want to grab a wig and go, like you don't have time to put the lace frontal on, or oh shit, what am I saying? Or glue hair down. Really, you can just grab your T-part wig and be on your way. Period. So I'm just gonna cut the lace in the back. We do not want nobody to be seeing it, like. hair. This brown. Hopefully y'all can see this. Brown, like, come through. Come through. I'm gonna cut this lace because it's like super tight on my big old head. God. I can't breathe. So if you got a big head, this wig might be tight. Over here literally do it make my forehead look real big? Like, I don't know, but I'm about to cut some layers in it. This made my forehead look big. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, y'all, so I'm done curling for now. This is what the T-part wig look like when it's curled. I'm missing this piece right here. It's go back. Okay, so this is what the wave look like. Curl, like, ooh, this chair, wow. I really like, let me move back, so y'all can see this. I really like this curl. It looks so much better. It's really cute. Okay. Ooh. Okay, Unice did not disappoint this time. Well, they never disappoint. I love their wigs. So bomb. Oh, so bomb. I'm just trying to like play with these curls. Oh. I don't know which way you want to fall, but if you want to purchase this wig, I'll have the wig links and everything in the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time in another hair review or maybe a vlog. Stay tuned. Bye guys.